So we began our meditation today by finding a comfortable position, whether sitting or laying. We come into meditation by focusing on our breath and finding a comfortable position, sitting or laying, resting the awareness on the rise and fall of the breath. Begin by observing what is here right now, the sounds, the sensations, the rise and fall of the breath. And we attempt to change nothing. We allow ourselves to welcome what is here as it is, with no sense of separation between us and the sounds or the sensations. What if I just allow everything to be as it is? What if I give myself permission to surrender? And in that surrender, I return to my heart. And perhaps visualizing the heart as an empty bowl, a receiving, receptive bowl. Perhaps allowing the inhale and the exhale to enter this space and leave it, to enter and move out of the body effortlessly. How can I arrive in this moment anew? As if I allowed my heart to receive all the experiences that are here right now. The thoughts, not fighting them, simply allowing them to be here, welcomed, noticing them. Allowing the resistance to what is to lessen as you exhale. Allowing the body to soften. Bringing a sense of gentleness into the heart space, into the empty bowl as it becomes receptive of all that is here right now. Opened and relaxed. How can I open and relax at the same time? Softening the body, relaxing the breath. And when the attention moves, returning it gently back to the breath, back to the spaces in between that unite the inhale and the exhale, the spaces of silence between the sounds, the spaces of peace and calmness in the sensations of the body as you sit or lay. Allowing the body to rest with a sense of openness to what is here. Welcoming everything that shows up. Welcoming with a sense of gentleness in your heart. Welcoming the sounds, all the sounds. Welcoming the rise and the fall of the breath. Softening, surrendering as you exhale into the gentle allowing of what is here. Perhaps noticing the heart as that empty bowl, noticing the way sensations arise and fall, sounds arise and fall and disappear. Thoughts arise and disappear. Noticing a sense of openness. Resisting nothing. Welcoming everything. And resting in the spaces between the sounds and the spaces between the inhales and exhales. And gently bringing the awareness to the rise and fall of the breath, sensing the body, the gentle movement of the rise and fall of the breath. Sensing the peace that is here. Allowing it to extend through your body as if it could hold you, embrace you. And sense yourself soften into that peace that is here. As you gently begin to transition back into your body and the awareness of this moment as it is right now. Sensing the sounds and sensations of the body as you move the toes or fingertips. Allowing the body to gently stretch and the eyes to soften as they begin to open. And sensing yourself remaining in that state of peace, resisting nothing, allowing all that is here to be as it is. Allowing peace to remain with you throughout this day or evening. Sensing the heart opened like the empty bowl, receiving with a sense of caring and welcoming to all that is here. Welcoming this breath and the next and the next. Allowing yourself to fully come back now